What's going on, beach bums? It's cabin tour time. This time I'm in balcony room in deck 66451. Let's go ahead and come on in. And yeah, it's pretty nice. We'll start here. We got the storage cabinets or storage area. Ooh, it's dark. Yeah, so you got one here, another one over here. This one's the one that has a safe in it and some hanging space down here. And then another one here. But this one is with a full-length mirror and a bit more hanging space and some storage space down here to put your luggage. And lastly, one more right here, again with some more hanging space, and this is the one that has the fridge cooler down here. Oops. Okay, and then small vanity area, a little bit of storage space, and a couple, 3 drawers here. Top one, and this one down here, and one more down here. Got your outlets over here, and your USB ports there, and of course your 220 with the light switch over there. Little sofa bed or couch over here, and this could be king or 2 twins. In this case it's set up for 2 twins, but also can be made into a king. So you got your TV with some little bit of shelf space there, restroom back over here, and so just typical setup with your sink and space over here. Shower with the shower gel and shampoo, of course, detachable shower head, your drying line over here, of course the outlet in here if you need it. And the best part is the balcony. It's right here, and we're still in port waiting to leave, but pretty good space. It's not very deep, but it goes a long ways here, as you can see. So that is the balcony space. People were out there on the balcony, so I didn't want to stay out too long and talk and let them enjoy their piece. But yeah, not a bad little room. Got the end pieces here for the nightstands. Main light switch if you're in bed and want to turn off the lights, don't want to get up. Of course, the night light's available to you there. So, and one more night light above the couch there. Just a quick little tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. New to the channel, feel free to subscribe if you'd like, if you like informational videos like this. And if not, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.